Yeah, that's it.
Morning, people. So I came to the market to get some things, and I would try and carry it along, but I don't know, seriously. It's not even funny. Like, everywhere is so rowdy. I feel like it's because it's the last Friday before Christmas. So let's see how it goes. I hope you can even hear me because I'm not connected to my microphone. So I got some turkey and I'm waiting for them to prepare it. See, this place is not cheap. This place is not cheap. You would think that because it's like a village market, you know, it's far away from town, that it will be cheap. It's not affordable at all. I'm shocked. Like, everything is extremely expensive here. Hold on, I'm coming.
kashe wuta za ta yi fa to ni za ka yaga ni ne an sai garin ta ba na di 3 ba no problem an kama ka kana tambaya to ana ga yana ce na ga yana rage murya ne ko irin da canja zuwa hey vai go vai ba ko magaron ba toki kawo toki No.
I came back home so exhausted, but I still tried to capture some of the things I got. I got tomatoes for, I don't know how to explain the size, but it was quite big. That was for 15,000 naira. I got a basket of scotch bonnets, basket of chili peppers. I got, this is my goat meat. I have got some other offals. I got this was my best buy. I really, because I love oppa so much. I got soup things for soup. I got live chicken, like I said, live turkeys as well, and chickens, potatoes, you know, okra. A basket of okra went for 4,000 naira or 4,500 naira, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So some of the things there were affordable. I can't remember how much I got the potatoes for, seriously, but I think they were also quite affordable. Yeah, I got 2 baskets, or is it dustbins? I don't know. Yeah, so that was it. Spotify.
Red Bull. Yeah.
Golibet, look at me.
M&M's.
Good.
Zara. Hi everyone, so I made this nice catfish. I didn't show you the process, but this is it. It's looking so good and it's tasting so good. Bring your plates. Let me send some over the screen to you.